he got away from her. There's a chicken. Can you catch that one? There's a white chicken over there. Is that the chicken you were catching? That's not it, is it?
I think that they have a little white one.
There's a couple of them. Oh, you caught her. You are the best chicken catcher. Oh. Yana, what's this chicken? This is applesauce. Do you like applesauce? That's this chicken. Can you give her a kiss? Oh, yes, the funny chicken. There she goes. Do you want to put her in her house so she can go to sleep? Okay.
Be gentle. Be gentle.
Oh, I guess she's done.
She's done.
Bye-bye,
She says
chicken.
No more.